Hey guys, my name is Chrono. Welcome to Chrono's cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my berry well smoothie. It's time to cook. Right guys, so the first thing that we're going to need is one banana. We're going to need 1 cup of strawberries. We'll need 1 cup of raspberries. 1 cup of blueberries, and then 1 cup of yogurt, vanilla preferably. Now, blend that together for 1.5 minutes. Alright guys, so after a minute of blending, you'll be left with a nice, elegant smoothie. Very nice. To garnish, straw and a few berries left over. So folks, it's time to taste this elegant smoothie. Delish. So folks, thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out some of my other videos and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.